friends. So today I am going to baking a Turkish baklava. It's a Turkish traditional sweet dish, and for this Turkish baklava I will use pillow papers. It's you can buy from any Turkish shop. Uh, I use for this is the walnuts. It's 300 grams. I have a pista is also 300 grams. I use a 100 gram is oil, 400 gram is butter, and this is for making a butter. And I will make a syrup for Turkish baklava. So for this syrup I use a 1 liter water. I have a 600 gram sugar. I have a cardamon is 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon is cinnamon powder, and lemon juice I take up. So first I will prepare for making a baklava, how to make a syrup, and how to make a butter for baklava. So let's start. When I start this, I have my oven is on 180 degree. I use it before because it will be hot after when I will put baklava inside. So now I will make up butter for baklava. So for this I have this pan, and I will put butter inside, make up hot. And for this I will use all this oil also inside. So let's wait when it will be full hot. So my butter is ready now. You can see it's butter and oil is mixed, and it's good now for baklava. So let's start to make a syrup. For syrup I have 1 liter is water here. You can see it's hot, and now I will put the 600 gram sugar inside. Put a cinnamon powder inside, and cardamom. And this lemon juice I will put also inside. So I will mix up little and wait. It's take 20 to 30 minutes when syrup will be ready. So then I will start baking a baklava. It's ready for baking baklava, and also syrup is ready, but syrup need to take a little time to making a cold little bit. So for baking a baklava I will take the pista and the walnuts. I will crush in machine. Oil crush. So my walnuts and pista is ready. So now my pistachia, my walnuts, and my butter is ready for baking. So I will start to bake. I will take out the cover of this folia. So after I will open. So you can see it look like this. So I will cut in the middle. Yes. So now let's start. This one use later. So first you have to be down this butter a little bit. So every two papers you will I will put a butter and 1 and 2. So every two papers use a butter again. And again two papers. So again butter. And every two papers I use a butter again, and now after 8 papers I will put a butter, and then I will use a pistachia and my walnuts. Right. So So after the walnuts I will put on top is pistachio. This I will have a part on topping. So So the next one, again start every two papers and put a butter on top.
One.
So I use all pillow papers. Every two papers I put a butter, and now it's all is ready. And this rest of butter, when I will cut, after I will put on the top. So So I cut. Now I will use the rest of butter on top. So I put butter, and now all my baking stuff is finished. Now I will put in the oven, and my oven is 180 grams, and it's take 25 minutes to 30 minutes. 25 minutes, my baklava is inside the oven and it's ready. Take out. Oh, it's so hot. So it's so hot, so I need to take little bit time, 2 minutes, and after I will put my syrup, what I prepared before, you can see. So my baklava is little bit cold and it's ready. Now I will put the syrup on top. So now this pistachio I will put on top for decoration. So friends, so my baklava is finished. It's Turkish sweet dish.